Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your SOUNDCORE K20i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now it disconnected, and then remove it from the charging case. Check your earphones, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case, and after that remove it from the charging case. Now press and hold both of the touch areas for at least 10 seconds until you can hear a sound. After that, put it to the charging case, and we should wait until this LED light is stop flashing. Here we go. Then remove it from the charging case, and you perform a hard reset if it cannot reconnect automatically. So now we should remove it. We can of course check it by just click on here, and then it said that we should forget it. So let's make it. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device. And now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!